Okay, so today we're going to discuss about the implementation, of course, of research, copyright, and patent. Now, research implementation refers to the process of putting into practice the findings, no recommendations, or solutions derived from a research study. So it involves translating research outcomes into actionable steps, policies, programs, or intervention. So the implementation phase is crucial for bringing about real-world impact and positive changes based on the insights gained from the research. Of course, the key elements cover the development action plan, stakeholder engagement, monitoring and evaluation, adapting to context, and scaling up. So successful research implementation requires collaboration between researchers, policymakers, and practitioners to ensure that the knowledge generated from the research contributes up to positive change. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Sergio Mesas, and I'm here to report about and give explicit details about the Chapter 6 research, which is the implementation, copyright, and patent. So next po. So first, we will tackle about the copyright, which is a concept that is legal and provide the protection of intellectual property rights. So it gives the creators and authors the rights to their own original works, and with many purposes like reproducing, distributing, displaying in their own work now. And they give the rights that I have mentioned before that are important to create also a new research that will be the key to the innovation of many new research material. No? So sabi dito, copyright in research is a legal concept that governs the protection of intellectual property rights in the context of scholarly and scientific work. It grants creators and authors certain exclusive rights to their original works, including the right to reproduce, distribute, and publicly display or perform their works. So these rights are designed to encourage innovation and creativity by providing creators with the incentive to produce new research and scholarly materials. So next po. So simple explanation, copyright is an automatic legal protection that arises as soon as an original work is created. So in a fixed and tangible medium. No? So in the context of research, this can include written papers, reports, theses, presentations, and even computer programs. So in layman's term, copyright is legal protection that is active whenever an original work is made. So next po. So what is the exclusive rights? So copyrights provide the authors or creator a work with several exclusive rights. So exclusive rights are what the authors have that can first the right to reproduce the work. This can mean that only the author can make copies of his work. So the second one is the right to distribute the work. Will give the author the power where he wants the work to be disseminated. No? So, and the third one is right to publicly display or perform the work. No. So this applies to presentation, conferences, or any public event where the work is showcased. And for the fourth one is the right to publicly display or perform the work that will affect the showcase of the work depending on how the author wants it. No? So the copyright owner can create adaptations, translations, or other new works based on the original. So next po. So there's a term that is used, which is the fair use. So what is the fair use? No? So this allows copyrighted materials to be used, but in a limited condition. Without the author's permission, like criticism, commentary, news, report, teaching, scholarship, or researches. So this will be depend on the purpose of use, amount use of, and the impact on the market of the original work. So next. So lastly, we have the term duration. So this just dictates that the copyright protection can only last for the life of an author. Then they will add a 50 or 7 years after, and the work will be enter the public use and they can use it without the permission of the previous author. So that's all for the chapter 6.